Today we're changing a headlight, passenger side, on a 2007, early 2007 Isuzu NPR. Not too much work, but here we go. We're going to start. There's a 10 millimeter right in. Oh, let me back up. There it is, right in here. I don't know. Zoom's gonna. There we go. 110 millimeter or Phillips head right in there. And once you get that out, the rest of this is just got some plastic pops in it. I'm working alone, so I'm gonna pause you and come right back. Okay, we got the bolt out, so I'm just gonna show you. This just kind of pops in. Be careful. Probably don't want to do this on a real cold day, maybe 50 degrees or above, because this is all plastic. All right. Next, we're gonna pull this rubber, if yours still has it. There's this little rubber guard. It covers some bolts on the bottom. So you pull that towards the center of the grill area and around these tabs. There again, a little difficult one-handed. So I'm going to set you back down. Once we've got the rubber pulled around, you can see a bolt down here in the bottom below your corner marker, and once we take that out, we should be able to slide the corner marker out. Okay, I'm having a little trouble wiggling it loose, so I'm going to open the door. Now, not all the way where you're weather stripping will kind of block your view. If you get down near the bottom of the door, see if I can get the camera in there. Okay, you can see. All right. Sorry, guys. I'm one-handed. Right here, if it will focus. That is where the light pops in. So I'm going to use a screwdriver and try to push it out from the back. As it is, and there we are. Now our corner marker's loose, so we need to take out this bolt here to remove this piece. Okay, once the bolt is out, this piece pops in. There are a couple plastic pops right here. And then this side just slides on. Again, easier with two hands, but you can see there's three plastic things, and then the top and bottom just slide on to these. Now we can get to this bolt, bottom bolt here, and bottom bolt here, and then the light can come out, and from there, you're just changing a bulb. Just twist and unplug. Once those screws are out, as you can see, there's just a clip. Unclip it. Twist and remove the bulb. Remember, guys, don't touch the bulbs with your hands, because the grease in your hands will just ruin these things. So wear a pair of gloves, or be very careful not to touch the glass on the bulb. I hope this helps. I had to figure it out myself the first time, and I took half the truck apart before I realized I'd done too much. So I forgot to mention the screw that holds the corner marker on. It is also a coarse thread screw. The difference in it and your other coarse thread is the one that holds the grill on has the flat washer on it, and the one that does the corner marker doesn't, just the pan head. So, thank you guys. I did want to point out one more thing. Out of all these bolts, now the one that holds the grill on is the coarse thread bolt. And then all your other bolts are the same except for this top bolt, and it's the one that holds this top corner on your light. So it'll be the top inside corner. If it's your driver's side, it will be this bolt, but for the passenger side, it's this one. Other than that, they're all the same. So coarse thread is what holds the grill on in the center. Your short one holds the top corners, and the others are all the same size. Thank you guys.